All right, I'm one of the founders of Tranzer. Maybe you recognize it. You enter a city and you have so many choices. You want to travel from A to B, but there are Lime bikes, there's normal bikes, there's trams, trains, buses, but you have to download all these different apps to get from A to B. And that's not really what you want. So we built Tranzer. We are live since 3 years ago, and we are sponsored by big parties, MasterCard and Transdev, which is the mother holding of Connection, and PON, the automotive industry. So we are looking for operators that want to connect to our platform. Operators, and I mean public transport operators in a broad way. On the other hand, we're also connecting to business platforms, because business platforms can offer public transport to their own customers. It's just a new service. So this is Tranzer. I'll tell you how it works. It's an app. You can download it in your mobile phone right now as an individual. You can plan, book and pay all in your phone, and you get a ticket. And we are connecting to operators, and it doesn't really matter what kind of ticket they have. We are agnostic, as we call it. So it can be just a visual ticket for the bus on Cuba, but it also can be a barcode if you're traveling in Holland and you need sorry, disconnected. So if you need a barcode, if you have to go through the smart card system, and of course that will be the future, that you can just enter a gate with your credit card. And we are together with MasterCard integrating the digital credit card in your mobile phone. So it's, in one hand, we go as a platform to an app for you as individuals. On the other hand, we are aggregating all different kind of tickets so that we can integrate in other business platforms. We have platforms like 9292, the big planner in Holland, that is going to sell our tickets. And then from next year, you can not only plan, but you can also book a ticket. But we're also connecting to multi-tank card. We're talking to booking.com. We have WeChat, the big Chinese WhatsApp. So there's multiple opportunities. We're expanding. We're present now. We have coverage in Holland for 100%. We're in Belgium, we're in Italy, France, and we're expanding and expanding. And we really want to be the #1 worldwide ticketing platform. And we're very interested to talk to all of you. Maybe you can introduce us to operators, either to big business platforms. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sanneke. Standing corrected. What do you want? What do you need from the audience? In one line.
What I need from the audience? Yes. Well, if you can connect us to any public transport operator, that would be really good on one hand. Or if you know business platforms, that's the other. But of course, if I look at the audience right here, we are also building this platform to better registrate and control the flow in the city. So I think we can be very interesting, because people make a very conscious choice. You really choose if you want the cheapest, the fastest, or the most sustainable way of traveling. So what is your footprint? And we really would like to think with you how you can play with prices and yield prices so that you can change behavior of travelers.